Hello people, today we are going to learn about project stakeholders and governance. So let's see who all are project stakeholder. Project sponsor is stakeholders, customers and users, sellers, business partners, organizational groups, functional groups, operation managers, portfolio managers, program manager, project team and others. So this picture shows the relationship between the stakeholder and the project. This is the project team, which consists of sponsor and project management team, project manager, and other project team members who directly work on the project. And other people who are involved in the project but are not directly working for the project are other stakeholders, portfolio manager, program manager, project management office, operations manager, functional manager, sellers, business partners, customers, and users. Positive and negative stakeholders. So let's see who are positive and negative stakeholders. Just as stakeholder can positively or adversely impact on project's objective, a project can be perceived by the stakeholder as having positive or negative results. So some stakeholders positively impact the project and some adversely impact the project objective. So those stakeholders who adversely impact the project's objective are negative stakeholders. So the question here arises is, do we ignore the negative stakeholders? The answer is no, we should not. So let's see an example to understand more. For example, business leaders from a community who will benefit from an industrial expansion project will see positive economic benefit to the community in the form of additional jobs, supporting infrastructure and taxes. In the case of stakeholder with positive expectation for the project, their interests are best served by making the project successful. In contrast, the interest of negatively affected stakeholders such as nearby homeowners or small business owners who may lose property, be forced to relocate, or accept unwanted changes in the local environment are served by impeding the project's progress. Overlooking negative stakeholder interest can result in an increased likelihood of failures, delays, or other negative consequences to the project. So we should take into account the feedback of both positive and negative stakeholders. Role of sponsor. So let's see what are the rules of sponsor. Who is sponsor? Sponsor provides resources and support for the project and is accountable for enabling success. From initial conception through the project closure, the sponsor promotes the project. This includes serving as a spokesperson to the higher level of management to gather support throughout the organization and promoting the benefits of the project brings. The sponsor leads the project through the initiating process until formally authorized and plays significant role in the development of initial scope and charter. So this is very important. The sponsor leads through initiating process until formally authorized and plays a significant role in development of the initial scope and the charter. For issues that are beyond the control of project manager, the sponsor serves as escalation path. The sponsor may also be involved with the other important issues such as authorizing changes in scope, phase and reviews, go no go decision where when the risks are particularly high. The sponsor also ensures a smooth transfer of projects deliverables. Role of customers and users. Customers are the persons or organizations who will approve and manage the project's product, service, or result. Users are the person or organization who will use project's product, service, or result. Customers and users may be internal or external to the performing organization and may also exist in multiple layers. For example, the customer for a new pharmaceutical product could include the doctors who prescribed it, the patient who use it, and the insurers who pays for it. In some application areas, customers and users are synonymous, while another customer refer to the entity acquiring project's product, and users refer to those who will directly utilize the project products. Role of sellers and business partners. So let's see. Sellers. Sellers, also called vendors, suppliers, contractors, are external companies that enter into contractual agreement to provide component or services necessary for the project. Who are business partner? Business partners are external organizations that have a special relationship with an enterprise, sometimes attained through a certification process. Business partners provide specialized expertise or fill a specific role such as installation, customization, training, or support. Role of functional managers. Let's see. Who is functional manager? Functional manager are the key individual who play a management role with an administrative or functional area of the business, such as human resource, finance, accounting, or procurement. They are assigned their own permanent staff to carry out the ongoing work, and they have a clear directive to manage all tasks within their functional area of responsibility. The functional manager may provide subject matter expertise, or their function may provide services to the project. What is the role of PM and project team? PM is responsible for achieving project objectives. High profile, and have high responsibility. They lead communications, develop project management plan and other plans. They satisfy task need, team needs, individual needs, and they also identify, monitor, respond to risk, report on performance. So basically, PM's role is the main role, and they are involved in each and everything to from start to end of the project. Project team. Project team. The leader of the project team is project manager. Project team can be on-site, virtual, or partnership. They can be dedicated or part-time. PM staff are the staff who are actually working on the project. Others are operations manager, who are operation manager produces, maintains sellable product or services, incorporates handed off project into operations. Portfolio manager performs high level governance of collection of projects or programs. Program manager manages related projects in a coordinated way, interacts with PM, supports and guides project. So guys, I hope you got idea on this project stakeholders. So subscribe to my channel or come to my channel for more videos on PMP. Thanks for watching.